See how ripe my banana. Don't waste this one. I'm going to show you what we have to do. That's it. Hi, good morning, yeah. Today we are going to make with banana recipe. What is that one? Banana halwa. Come very fast. See, already I cut it. Like this only you have to. This is very dead knife actually. I used to use for the idlis this one. That's it, yeah. Very, very easy. No atta, no sugar. As sugar means sugar is there. Good only that is. Okay. Now, see, yeah, this one. The aroma is too good. Like this only. Paste it will become. Hey, yeah. One more time I have to grind. See, this banana is left over. Just I will grind it one more time. You have to do it. That's all. Nothing. Very easy. Because too ripe, no, it's aroma is coming very nice. See, I'm taking a small cup of water to dissolve. Oh, actually, I forgot before no to show. Then I thought of okay, no, I have to show. So that is a problem. Okay, now I'm using the jaggery like this to dissolve this one. Just dissolve it. That's all. See, properly now. This one, yeah. Just brownish color. Then you can remove like this and keep it side. And because I don't want to waste my vessel, and next thing is too much of ghee and all, you know. So just I am doing like this only. Now, high flame. Add this banana. See, total iron, no, it's become black actually. When I'm grinding, that time is a white in color. Okay, now add this one. Then continuously you have to, yeah, like this. See, slowly. This finally only will do this one. See the color, yeah, it will change the color, you know, totally iron, you know, very healthy. Whoever want iron and all, then we can make it this halwa and eat, okay? Nice, no? So just you have to do it like this. Then I'm going to add my sugar now. Yeah, time to add this one. Yes. If necessary, you want more ghee also, you can add, but I'm trying to make it very less ghee and all, and healthy. And craving also, yeah, all the time eating the sweets and all. I don't know how I am so bad in that. I can't even tell you what to do. This is the consistency. Now we have to add this sugar water. Already I shown you people the boil one. So why I'm filtering, you know, the stones will be there. So we don't want that. Yes, now do it properly now. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, so easy sweet this one is. No, some people they don't want to eat the atta, rice, you know. They can use this one and nicely they can have it. That is only highlight about this. And any, you know, flavors you wanted, you want to add the elaichi, you know, cardamom, that also powder you can add, but I don't like that one, so I'm not adding. That's all. Just you have to do it like this. See, this is now you can add a little bit of ghee if you want it, otherwise not require at all. That's it. Yeah. See, now just mix it. That's it. Very, very easy. By God, this is banana halwa. Even I love bananas. So whenever I'm craving about this, and next thing is because when we are doing pujas and all, you know, so many leftovers will be there. That time I used to search for the cows and all. I'll feed that one also. But this is also we can't consume so many. But guest is coming. That time will be different. Okay. See the consistency. Now you can add little bit of oil. It's not sticking, no, that is only important. We have to be a little bit careful about this. Now I'm adding this cashew nuts. Already we fried it, no. Why it's not coming? Come. Okay, see, if you necessary you want, you can make a little bit of ghee. Not necessary, yeah, enough I think. See, now the ghee will leave actually, then you can remove. It's not sticking, to the kadai. Then you can remove it. Switch off the gas immediately, then put it in this. Because this is, we can't eat hot, yeah. Once it cool down, then only, that is only tip actually. That is only important tip is, you can't even eat like hot. It has to be cooled down properly, see. Now beautiful weather in Chennai. Oh my god, amazing how much you can cook also. Now you can properly cook, and now properly you can remove like this. And see, yeah, my alva is ready now. Little bit again we can cut it and eat nicely. That's all. See the taste, yeah. This is only, you have to cool down. After that only you want to cut it and taste this one. So tasty. I can't even tell you. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy this moment also.